Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can set up page turns exactly how you want them in KOReader installed on a Jailbreaked Kindle or on a Kobo device or on a Pocketbook reader device or any Android e-reader too. Let's start by go to my table cam. Here we have a Kobo device, a Kobo Clara that runs KOReader. It can also be a Android-based e-reader like this, the BigMe B751C that has KOReader installed. It can also be a Jailbreaked Kindle or a Pocketbook reader. So let's go into the device itself by turning it on like so. Here we have KOReader. Here's my home display. You see where every time I click on the home icon it will go to this display. Here I have my books that I have on this device. And here is a book I'm reading at the moment, so let's open that. Here you see I have a book open and I have a status bar down below with some information. To go forward in this book I have set it up as I want it, so I can touch the display everywhere I want actually. The left or right side, and it goes forward in the book. I can also swipe to go forward in the book, but to be able to go back I need to swipe like this. As you see, that is the only way to go back in the book. So every time I click I go forward everywhere on the display. If I do this I go back. To set that up, you need to go into settings. So click up here and then go to the gear icon, the gear menu as you see there. Here you go into taps and gestures. And here you see the page turns menu. Go to page turns. And here you can choose to have with taps and with swipes, exactly as I have it. You can turn off swipes completely if you prefer, but then again it will be harder to go back. You can have both on or turn any of them off if you prefer. Here you see that you can also invert page turn taps and swipes, so it's the other way around, but I never use that. But tap zones is what I have chosen. Tap zones I have chosen top and bottom. And you see here backward and forward tap zone size is 25% and 75%. So it will go forward in the book in the complete 75% of the area of the display. And it will go forward in 25% of the area of the display with taps. So that means that you can set that up here. Backward 25%. You can even turn that even less if you prefer. Only 10% maybe. And set this to 90 instead. Like so. Now that means that everywhere I tap on the display it will go forward in the book. It's 10%. It's very hard to tap to go back because then you will have the menu from the top also or opening like this. So that will be very hard to do. So that's why I like it to have it like this. So I need to swipe to go back. So every time I tap on it, it goes forward, and every time I swipe back, it goes back. So you do that from that settings I showed you. The gear icon, taps and gestures, page turns, and here you have tap zones, top and bottom. You can also, of course, choose to have left, right if you prefer that. So you will have a small tap zone for go back in the left side, and the whole complete display will go forward. That is a choice of that you can do, left, right, or top and bottom, or the other way around, bottom, top, if you prefer that. So you can do this exactly as you want it. So that is quite easy. The only thing you need to do to set up how you go back and forward in the book. Very easy to do. So after that, when you have been done reading, you can also set up a touch to show the cover like this, if you prefer to have it like this. On an Android-based e-reader, you maybe have the transparent screensaver on. Then you can leave it like this and have it as a transparent screensaver to show the cover. In KOReader on a Kobo or also a Jailbreaked Kindle without ads, it will also show the cover automatically when you turn. It goes to the sleep mode like this. KOReader does that automatically. You don't need to set that up at all on a Kobo or a Kindle, or maybe also a Pocketbook reader. I don't know. I don't own one. But on an Android base, that doesn't work. So you need to do that hack I show you here, like this, usually on most of the readers, and then have a transparent mode instead. To set that up, you can do the same. You go into the gear menu, you go to taps and gestures, you go to gesture manager, and here you have tap corners, and I'll set that up to bottom right to show book cover. Very easy to do. But if you want to go back to home when reading, just tap at the top to show the menu, and then choose this drawer image, drawer icon, to go back to your home. That is very easy to do. Okay, that was what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that helped some of you. Some of my viewers has commented about this, so hopefully this will help. Okay, bye.